Stand over there. Stand over there. All right. Hold that. Don't touch it. All right. So this is a mix of Cutter, Swirly, Stitch, and myself. All that.
You think I'm the only one you guys are gonna get?
You're shitting me, right?
Go ahead.
Alright.
I would start with, you can start with that if you want to. Get you an idea.
Which one should I start with?
Start with the big one because the little one's for me. And it has to do with the big one.
Alright.
I guess that's the way to put it, yeah.
I already know what it is. I don't even have to look. SR.
Yeah?
Jeez. Oh. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna get all of you.
We're all getting shot in the ass today.
Yeah. That might be taped up, sir.
Yeah,
What's funny is it's only fire.
we'll fix that. Oh, that's nice. You guys are right.
Maybe.
Ain't no maybes to it. I know what that is. That's wool.
Yep.
Yep.
I don't even have one of those yet. Oh my goodness, what's that?
That ain't the one that I saw, is it? That we were talking. Jeez. That was nice.
See, now you need to open up the smaller box.
Jeez. What am I gonna do with you guys? Seriously.
You're gonna need to make the gun better. Oh no, there's dig.
I saw that first bag, and I know exactly what that is. Oh,
That's basically a
God.
cutterizing bag, I guess you could say.
Yeah. And that's unicorn, isn't it?
No, that is actually a 6.0 Mad Ball or 6.03 Mad Ball, and it already has a Decepticon bucking on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I think.
And fours. This is gonna be nasty.
You got some work to do.
Now
Yes,
you
I
can join the
do.
SR25 club.
Yes.
Although I'm not in it right now because mine isn't working. But you said you wanted to get into detecting. There you go.
Yep.
And the funny thing is that gun there was gonna be my first project.
Not anymore.
Uh-huh. Holy shit. I'm gonna get them too.
Yep.
The other two.
Squirrely and Stitch.
Yeah. We got you with the Mark II challenge, which
I am actually. I didn't have the money or the time this last month since I received it to really do what I want, and I've actually been talking to it. My dad was a scene painter in the theater, and he knows all different types of painting techniques too. So him and I were talking about it because my dad wants to kind of get in on it because I told him about it, and he's like,
It's just gonna be a teddy bear.
It's a Springer in the box in the middle. This big.
Okay. All right. Well, something nice. Okay. Is that pouch? Pouch, yeah. The gum pouch? I can't tell. Yo! Don't say it. I'm not saying anything. Hold on. I need something. Come on, player. Come on, player. Put some box into it. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah. There you go. Chicago typewriter, bro. What? That's nice.
Christmas came early.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's awesome. And you got the badge. Oh my God.
I got a deal for you.
No.
All the money I need those PDs because that thing's so.
Yeah.
No, you still got $76 just from the stickers. And
What?
whatever I make it in the
What?
and whatever mystery box.
What mystery box?
The box to my truck. The box on the you get everything included. I handed the gun. I got it.
Light up cans, right? Yeah, they do. They might need a new battery if it got hit in there.
No. Is there a box with this?